Today, the awareness is how many of us actually don't appreciate our choices. Now, we're not going to talk about the fact that you had choice or you haven't chosen or what could you choose. It's just as simple as when was the last time you actually appreciated your choices, right? So here's your home play for today. As you walk around, as you breathe, as you live, as you eat, as you dress, as you make love, whatever that is, would you be willing to appreciate the choices that you're making, right? Because each choice creates something else. Choice creates. Possibly not your best choice, possibly not your worst choice, whatever that is, it's choice. Would you be willing to appreciate the choices that you're playing with today? I wonder what that could look like. Let me know, pop it in the comments. My word this year is clarity. That's my 2019 energetic word. Everything that I do and be vibrates to, so is this giving me the clarity that I've been asking for? Hell yeah. With what went on with the big fall this summer, it's actually having me be in my lane, actually having me look and see and appreciate everywhere I was all over the map, doing, coming, going, creating, la, 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 la. And all of it was having me chase my choices, not actually appreciate my choices. Are you willing to actually appreciate the choices that you're making, that you have made? Because appreciation creates change, right? Without appreciation, there is no change. Where did you stop appreciating your choices? That's kind of an interesting, wow. Is there anywhere in your life you're living the way you were brought up? There was no appreciation for choice. You know, everywhere you were made guilty for choices. You were judged for your choices. You stopped yourself from choosing because you had to make the right choice. Well, what if none of that was real or true? Right? Just for today, let's see if we can play with appreciating your choices. Adore you, live boldly, love greatly, and be that fearless leader that you came here to be, because the world needs more of you and not less.